If you don't answer both parts of this question, you will lose marks. Let's look at a real example. In many countries, young people are spending less time with their families and more time with friends. Why is this happening? Is this a positive or negative development? Here you must do two things. Explain why this is happening and give a clear opinion, positive or negative. If you don't answer both parts of this question, you will lose marks. Let's get started. Paragraph 1. Paraphrase the topic and answer both questions clearly. In many societies, it is becoming increasingly uncommon for young people to spend time with their families. As they tend to socialize more with friends, this trend is largely driven by greater independence, and I believe it is a negative development. Paragraph 2. Answer the first question, give one clear reason, explain it, and add an example. The reason for this trend is that young people are becoming more independent and therefore spend less time at home. Many students, for example, have busy schedules that include studying, part-time work, and social activities, which leaves limited time for family interactions. As a result, spending time with family becomes less regular and less of a priority. Paragraph 3. Answer the second question. Give your opinion, explain it, and add an example. I believe this is a negative development because reduced time with family can lead to weaker communication and emotional distance. When young people spend less time at home, they have fewer opportunities to share experiences and build strong relationships. Over time, this can reduce the level of support they receive from their families. Paragraph 4. Conclusion. Summarize your answers clearly. In conclusion, this trend is mainly caused by the increase in independence among young people, and it can have negative long-term effects on family relationships, particularly in terms of communication and support. Before you finish your essay, check this. Did you answer both questions in your introduction? Did you explain why clearly in one paragraph? Did you give a clear opinion? Did you include an example in both paragraphs? Is your conclusion short and clear? Miss one and your score drops. I hope you found this lesson helpful. This is just a simple example of this essay structure. Download the free PDF which is linked below, which includes the writing task 2 structures explained as well as example essays.